Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Private browsing on iPhone prevents Safari from storing your browsing history locally. It also stops search data from appearing in your history and autofill. Open Safari to start a private session and switch tabs to the private view. Private mode isolates cookies and website data during that session only. Private tabs do not sync to iCloud or other devices automatically. Extensions are disabled in private mode to limit tracking by third parties. Open Safari and locate the Tabs button in the lower right corner of the screen. Tap the Tabs button, then tap Private, then tap Done to enter private mode. You will see a dark or dimmed interface confirming private browsing is active. Tap the ++ icon to open a new private tab for browsing. Switch between normal and private by repeating these taps and selecting the other view. Close all private tabs to end the session and clear that data locally. Enable Hide IP with iCloud plus Private Relay to mask your IP address from websites. This requires an iCloud Plus subscription and is optional for extra privacy. Clear private tabs and tap Clear History to remove local traces afterward on your device. Use a trusted VPN to add another privacy layer that hides traffic from your local network. Prefer private search engines for searches to reduce tracking by major engines. Remember that private mode does not make you anonymous to websites or your internet provider.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.